Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Wish all of you a sweet Christmas. Today we have a special recipe, and this is the recipe which I make this Christmas village. Together, step by step, we'll do fantastic ginger dough. You can make, as you see, a lot of houses and display, and you can make it cookies as well. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011, and I work in many companies, over than 20 years experience in cruise line, hotel, 5-star, 4 season, Hilton, Sheraton. All my experience I bring it to you in this YouTube channel, so feel free to ask me anything and any cake you want to learn. Please write in the comment below. Very easy recipe. You don't need mixer, you don't need KitchenAid, just by hand. 400 gram flour, 180 gram butter, 40 gram honey, 40 gram brown sugar, muscovado, 1 egg, 3 gram baking soda, 3 gram cinnamon, 3 gram ginger powder, 1 gram nutmeg, and 1 gram cloves. So these 5 spices will make fantastic dough, and you will feel the aroma and the flavor strong. The 5 spices together. And then we start to make the ginger house dough. First of all, I use this small. If you don't have gram, small, so you can use 1 pinch like this, is absolutely 1 gram. So 3 small like this, you have 3 gram ginger. 3 small like this, you can have the whole ingredients. We start butter and brown sugar together. Muscovado is the best sugar to use it and keep the dough moist. We can mix with wooden spoon until becomes creamy. Then we added egg, 1 egg. We mix it. Make sure the butter and sugar becomes fluffy, and this is the secret. After that I added honey. In case if you don't have honey, you can add the same amount of molasses or glucose, even corn syrup. So you have 3 alternatives of honey. If you make it cookies to eat, better use honey. You mix all ingredients. As you see. Then we added the flour and the spicy. Then we mix all together. Or even you can mix flour and spicy outside, then you add it to the butter mixer. In this case I forgot to add baking soda, so I will add it later on when I finish the dough. After After I make the dough, I remember that I didn't put bicarbonate or baking soda, so I put 3 gram. And the best way to add it to the flour, but I forgot, and this you will see how to mix it again. After I mix the dough, I keep it in the fridge at least 6 hours before used. So minimum to keep it 6 hours. If you leave it for second day, will be much better. Here I write in Google Christmas house pattern, and they have 1,000 shape and 1,000 design. So feel free to find your own design, then you draw in carton. Better to write which side, right or left, so to not confuse. Chimney, everything. And after that, you roll the ginger dough 3 millimeter or 4 millimeter, not less than this to be strong. So now I have the pattern ready. I roll the dough in the tray 4 millimeter, then I cut all the pattern. Then I cook in the oven 180 degree centigrade, not Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade, 10 to 12 minutes maximum. It will have the perfect dough. You can brush the dough with fresh milk. If you brush the dough with fresh milk, it will be really tasty, and same time the color of the dough will be much shiny. Some chefs roll the dough, ginger dough, in the tray 40 by 60, then they bake all the dough. And when come out from the oven, they use the pattern and cut with sharp cutter. In this case, the whole size will be perfect equal, but you must be very fast to cut all pattern when come from oven. If not, you can cut with raw dough, then you remove the pattern and then you bake it 180 centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes depending about the oven. In the ship or the hotel, we make a big size, so we ask carpenter to design for us all the houses. Then we bake the ginger dough, small bricks as you see, then with glass, royal glass, we stake on the wooden. So the recipe of royal glass: 1 egg white, from 250 to 300 gram icing sugar. You mix it all. When becomes soft dough or soft glass, you can add 10 milliliter of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. The same glass you use it to decorate the royal cake or the wedding cake. I hope this video meet your expectation. Please feel free to write the comment about what you think to improve our performance. I will be really appreciated if you make subscribe and make video likes and share it with your friends. I really appreciate it. As you see, you can make different design. These windows I put cellophane, red cellophane, then I cover with a stick with glass, and as you see, you can make beautiful houses very clean. You can color the royal glass with any color, and you cut some cookies, star. You can put some cotton in the chimney to looks like smoke. You can create thousand idea. Thank you so much for being in my channel. Ahmad Younis.